How's it going, everyone? Man, I got to be real with you guys. Today was the most frustrating trading day that I've actually had in probably a good year. I'm not going to lie. I kept telling myself I don't want to make this video. It's frustrating and it's just like, what the heck happened? But, guys, after sleeping it off a little bit, I came back on here and I was like, you know what? Guys, I want to be real here. I want to be transparent. I can't ever hide anything from you guys. And as awful as it is, I ended up taking two losing trades today. And they were bigger trades. They were bigger trades that I actually had to end up. I'll show you guys right here. These are on the 550K accounts. And I had two trades and just both of them just didn't work out. And, it's put me very close to, basically at the beginning of this, currently down about $180 right now. And overall on all the accounts. So didn't blow the accounts. Tomorrow, yes, is a new fresh day. But guys, I got distracted. I went to go say bye to my daughter, give her a hug and a kiss. Things went the opposite way. I had a little bit more of my own emotions come into it because I was like, I'm trying to do the dad thing, and then I come back and things happen. And you guys, the couple trades that I was in this morning that just didn't work out is I was playing short here. Coming down, really thinking this was going to be great. Ended up getting distracted on this one. Coming back up, I had to close it out. And this was the other one right here. Consolidated around for a little bit. And then this was when it came back on me. And I was away for the computer for too long. I thought I'd be able to multitask it. And honestly, what do I keep telling you guys is, find that window of a half an hour in the morning and just do it. You don't need to be on your computers for a long time. And you know what? I just had those two trades that just went against me today. And it's frustrating. I was so mad at the time. And I was telling my wife, it's like, I get on here to try to show and encourage people that it's like, you can really pass these accounts. It's really possible. But I also just feel like, if I can't get on here and show the transparency of, guys, at the end of the day, I'm human. Yes, I'm the founder of these metrics. Yes, I've been really successful with this. Yes, so many people have been successful. But you know what? I feel like if you can't show the losing days and go over them, analyze them, see what you could have done differently that could have given you better results, I don't think we can individually grow more in trading. And I don't want you guys following me here if you think that every one of my days is sunshine and rainbows. Today was a day from hell. I'm not going to lie. I just got super, super frustrated. And I felt like everything that I did following these metrics to a T just ended up, reversing really quickly and missing out on opportunities. And to be super real, it's part of it's on me. And, part of it is just the market had a different direction. So, I am not one to ever want you guys to make it seem like I'm making excuses. Trading is trading, and at the end of the day, we do have some moments where it's just a bit difficult. Were there some amazing trades today? Yeah, awesome. Sell signal, make money. Sell signal, make money. Sell signal, make money. And then I just woke up recently. I was like, what the heck happened here? Massive spike on this. So, of course, we don't trade this time here. But, right after that market open, around that 7:30 time, it was just, it trended down. This was a great signal over here. Didn't end up populating. If you guys have your MA filter turned off, you're going to get more of these signals where this was a great entry. Looking back this morning on an awesome sell signal to capitalize on that. But again, I like to be trading with the trend and having that MA filter turned on because, as you can see, it gets rid of a lot of the noise and will give you the more advanced great signals. Also on these, I did not load up on these positions like I did yesterday on that confirmed break of structure and out of that box. This was trading with the normal amounts that I have over here. It just didn't work out today. So, I want to end this and say this as an encouraging thing of saying, you know what? Just know that Justin doesn't have great days all the time. And today was one of the first days in a long time that took two trades back to back, didn't work out, and it just was really frustrating. But we're going to get back at it tomorrow. I'm going to get back at this. This is the journey. I got to show you guys. It's like, it's rough. Sometimes it is really rough. And I feel like I can't coach, I can't teach, I can't do all that stuff if I don't show you guys this here. So far, we were at a 57% win rate on these accounts, 42% loss, 7 winning trades, 4 losses. 4 winning trades, 3 losses here on the account. But that is where we're at so far. And I will come back even stronger and make the rest of the videos for this week, and hopefully, this month, I get all these 5 accounts to pro. But I just want to get on there and show you guys that, give you transparency, give you honesty, and just know that, Justin's human as well. And sometimes he has really rough days. And today was that one rough day. So keep my head high. We're going to go into this great. Going to finish out the week really well. We'll jump back on here tomorrow and let's see what the market gives us. Take care, guys.